left from Tekadi after the morning boating ride. It's around 10 o'clock in the morning. Today's ride is going to be a short one, 90-kilometer ride, or maybe less than that. So Tekadi to Munnar, and yeah, so it's going to be a short ride, but definitely a beautiful one because of all the curvy roads and all. So the morning experience with boating was really good. I mean, there are multiple batches which they cater. Morning 7:30 is the first batch, which I somewhat took, and so they have bus facility, which you must have seen in the video. So that bus takes you to the forest. Inside the forest, you can also walk to the forest. It's around 2 to 3 kilometers from the Tekadi. So in that Periyar Tiger Reserve. I think we will have our breakfast here at Rajdhani restaurant. So that was a quick break. Let's continue our journey. Such a big sculpture of Lord Shri Ganesha on the way. Really good. So we are here in Arunachal, which is 10 kilometers away from Munnar, but it's a very beautiful place to stay. And yeah, it was a very good ride today from Tekadi to Munnar. It was around 90 kilometers, but the sceneries and the roads were really beautiful, and especially the tea gardens and all. So tomorrow we will be staying here in Munnar only, and we have some plans lined up. So whatever the plans are, I will include it in this video. So video will be a bit longer, but anyway, if you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.